What's up, everybody, and welcome back. So I got a bar 01 tool steel, an induction forge, and I'm gonna make a Kiridashi. It is worth mentioning that the coil I'm using is actually a little too large for this piece of bar stock, and with the smaller coil it'd heat much faster, which I have a smaller coil, I just didn't feel like changing it out. So this is one of the main reasons I bought this induction forge, was so I could forge smaller mono steel projects in the comfort of my garage, which is really nice because I live in Alaska and it can get pretty cold outside. It also saves on propane. Well, that was a fun little project. First time I've ever made one of these. I don't know much about these things at all. I just know that they have a single bevel on them and it's extremely sharp. But this is actually a gift for gift exchange for a family get together. So that's why I made it. I've been looking for a little project to do on the induction forge. Things like this, you know, or a small knife. But yeah, this thing's pretty cool. And the jute cord came out pretty nice, except I made a mistake and I used 5-minute epoxy, which I will never do again. I don't recommend that on jute cord. I would use, I've only done one jute cord handle in the past, but I used G-Flex epoxy on that, and that over time will seep in inside of the wrap. So, and the last one I did was double wrapped, so that may play a factor too, but the 5-minute just left a lot of gunk on the outside, so it took a while to actually sand that off. And then I did coat this in super glue and then sanded it down again because I got a little crack right there, but I filled it all in with super glue, so it's not a problem. It's just a gift. And yeah, well, it's pretty handy. You know, these things are nice for, you know, cutting open mail, cutting open boxes. I mean, it's a nice little utility knife. So I think anybody could use one of these. So other than that, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and take care.